think this through now, didn't I?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Breanna Latoi. So today I'm going to be trying out these hair coloring waxes, Mofajang. I got them from Amazon. They're really affordable. And the thing about them is that it's a way to achieve like a really colorful hair look with dark hair and without damaging your hair. Y'all know I've been blonde before, and I've bleached my hair and I've ruined my curls. So that's why my hair is a little bit shorter now. I literally had to cut my hair all the way up to my ears because I damaged my curls so badly with bleach. And yes, it was a fun look. I loved being blonde. I loved having blonde hair. It was fun, it was bright, it was perfect for like summertime, and it just made you feel unique and different. You know, if you've got curly hair, if you're biracial, typically that phenotype brings out darker hair. So when you have that light hair color, it just makes you feel like you look different than everyone else. And I really liked having that hair color, but honestly, it's not worth it to damage your hair and damage such a beautiful natural curl pattern. Guys, so it's editing me here, and I do want to just clarify that it is possible to have curly hair, naturally curly hair, and keep a lighter hair color look. There are plenty of Instagrammers out there who have it, like models like Jada Doll, and the person that I had the side-by-side with, Jenna Frumes. They've had lighter colored curly hair for years now. I've been following them probably for 5 years, and they keep up with their curls. They do hair masks. I don't think that they put as much bleach on it as I was. The reason why my hair got so damaged was because I went from getting it professionally done to doing it myself from the beauty salon and using like really cheap bleach and always changing the color. You saw that it was purple, it was pink. So it is possible to keep healthy curls with blonde hair, or if you're willing to just have a little bit looser of a curl pattern. But I know that when my hair is natural and when it's in its natural state, my curls are just so, they're on a different level. So that's all I wanted to say. Just, okay, back to the video. So today we are going to be testing out these hair waxes. I've seen a lot of people trying these out on YouTube, and I have tried it before. I was the Joker for Halloween and I used the green, but you know, I wouldn't probably choose green for like a look that was just for Halloween. So today I'm gonna try some colors, some nude colors. I have red, I have blue, I've got silver, I've got purple, and I've got gold. And the gold gives you like this kind of like a blonde look. So the gold's a really good option if you kind of want to look like you have a highlight to your hair without getting real highlights. I asked you guys on Instagram what color you thought would be fun for the video, and I pretty much got every color except for gold. So sorry guys, we're gonna dock the gold, alright? We're not using it. It looks like we have people asking for purple. I have mixed this silver and red to make like a pink, so we can see if that works. And then I have purple and blue. The most important step to this, which when me and my friend Laura were watching people do this and they were saying that these waxes didn't work, it was because they forgot the most important step, which is to wet your hair. You need to wet your hair in order for it to work. So we've got our little spray bottle, and in my house this doubles as punishment for the cat and also a way to get my hair wet when I need to rejuvenate the curls. My hair is nice and moisturized with water. The blue I haven't tried yet. I've done the purple before and it actually looks really pretty. But we're gonna mix them, dip our fingers in the blue, just like that. It's a really pretty color. And the way that it goes on, it feels like you're putting on a hair mask. Like, it says it's all natural products, so I feel like for real though, it's so much better than using like a hair dye, because it kind of just feels like a mask. Like, it feels really healthy for the curls. Next, I'm gonna go in with the purple. And since you can already kind of see that the blue looks pretty cool. Like it looks really sick. So I think, honestly, I love the blue so much, but I think I'm gonna do my roots purple. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And see how that looks? I mean, like an ombre effect, kind of. This stuff is just such an easy application. It's crazy that you just literally have to put it on your hands and then it changes your dark hair to a vibrant color so easily. Like I was thinking about when I was growing up and how I remember the girls with the lighter colored hair could go and use like the cheap little temporary stuff and they didn't have to bleach their hair because it just held the color. I really don't know of any other products that can do this to dark hair without damaging it. If you know any, let me know in the comments. But honestly, I've never used anything like this. Like, I really wish this would have been around when I was younger, so I was not acting a fool and ruining my hair all the time. And you can just see, like, the ombre effect is really easy to do. I mean, I've never done that before, and I think I did a pretty good job. Alright, so let's go in with the red, which I haven't opened this one yet. It's new. Honestly, I think I'm going to do a giveaway for these. I'm going to give away some of these on my page pretty soon. And I'm like, ooh, the red. Are you ready for it? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm like really digging this purple and blue side though. I'm like, should I really do red over here? But we're going to do it. I'm not sure what this one's going to look like. Ooh. I mean, it's just crazy how bright it shows up on my hair. My hair is so dark. Okay, so while I was waiting my hair to dry, which it's already been like 30 minutes and it's still not dry, we decided that we were going to try it on Chris's hair too, because really from the things that I've seen on YouTube lately, it's mostly girls with curly hair that it's really doing well on. We watched one guy do it on YouTube and it looked okay, but he didn't get his hair wet first, which is the key step, people. So we're going to try it on Chris's hair to see if it will work. We're gonna do, you want blue? We're gonna try blue on his hair. So I think the key difference with straight hair is to brush it after, like comb it out. With my hair, I don't need to comb it out, but I think with his, what this stuff is it's really thick. It feels like a mask. So if we just kept it wet and like clumped up, it's just gonna look bad, right? But we need to like comb it through, get it evenly put on, and then brush out the messiness of it. Because like I said, this is like a styling gel, like his hair's sticking straight up right now. So, I mean, it has some kind of like, some kind of product consistency to it, like, I guess like a cream or something, because with my hair, I think the reason why it looks so good and holds so well with curly hair is because I usually put a curling lotion in my hair daily, right? So like I feel like this just like could take the place of the product that I usually use. Okay guys, so it has been almost 2 or 3 hours since we originally did the dye. And honestly, I think it looks so good. The only difference is that my hair is still a little wet, but also I think even if it fully dried, I'm not gonna have as much volume as I did at the beginning of the video. As you saw, I had big volume. My curls were very voluminous today, big, nice, curly, whatever. And with this on, it is kind of like it weighs it down a little bit. I think if I let it dry a little bit more, I could get some of that volume back. See, I mean, it's crazy that this is just temporary. Like, I feel like the blue looks so vibrant. This side was a little wetter originally because I added more water to it, which was kind of dumb. Remember, dampness is the key. But I think it also looks really pretty. But I don't know, I think I'm digging the blue and purple side more. But also, I think the pink effect kind of did turn out. So yeah, there's me and Chris. Oh my gosh, do you like it?
I look like blue Tobey Maguire.
Don't know what Tobey Maguire is.
Spider-Man.
Oh, that's not Tobey Maguire, is it?
It used to be.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh, it looks so good. I think it looks so cool. So that is the finished look on straight and curly hair. If you guys liked videos like this, remember to like, subscribe, comment. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Stay weird.